I had become to a point where I was slightly unfit. I'd always been an active person, but I was finding everyday chores very difficult, very painful. I had a constant, continual lower back pain all the time, just doing normal chores like cooking at the oven, washing dishes, ironing, even just to carry in shopping bags was a problem, and walking over uneven ground and walking distances also. I tried to sort of go swimming because I thought swimming might help, but that didn't. That made my back worse. So I had been under the hospital and somebody did suggest doing Pilates. And I had read about it before, so I thought, right, I'll try and find a class. It was very difficult at first to find a class, and then I found yours on the web, and I thought, oh, hooray, it's in Keynsham, just down the road from me. So I contacted you, and you said, yes, come along. And I was a little bit apprehensive because I thought there'd be lots of other younger people there. I was unsure of and what abilities they would be. But I arrived and there was a lovely little group. We were all sort of ages. Maybe I and another couple were the older ones, but you invited us in and you were very friendly. And it was a lovely group. And that particular session, I came away feeling really relieved in the fact that I thought I found something that I can work on. And you were so instructive, so patient with us and attentive. And you went around and we all had different abilities of how we could move. And you corrected us if we were wrong. You also did all the exercises with us, so we knew exactly how to do them or how it should look. And then we would attempt them, and then we would sort of work on that. But I did come away feeling this is something that I can do every week. And I must admit that I would never, ever miss my class. If I have, then it's obviously for some really critical reason.